In this video, I'm going to show you how to do an oil change on this BMW X5. Let's get into it. We're going to take the oil filter off, use a 36mm socket. Once it's loose, you can grab it by hand, twist it off. Pull it out, nice and slow. And tip it over. Now grab the filter, just gonna pull it out. You want to take the ring off, the O-ring. Slide that off. Take the new O-ring, put that in position, roll it over, just make sure it looks good. Take the new filter and line this up, push that in place, looks good. Take a little fresh engine oil and just put it on the O-ring. That's good. Now take the filter, get it lined up, and get it started. And I'll tighten this down. Just go slow. Just don't want the O-ring to pop out. And torque it to 18 foot-pounds. That's good. Underneath the vehicle where the pan is, there should be a little trap door here. It should be plastic. You just want to use a straight blade screwdriver, pop that open. This vehicle it's missing. And using a 17mm wrench, we're going to take the drain plug out. Make sure you have a drain bucket underneath. Loosen this up. There you go, drain the oil. On the plug itself, there is a seal. I'm going to take that seal off. Put a new seal on. Take the new seal. It's going to go over the drain plug. All the oil's drained out. I'll put the drain plug back in. Now we're going to torque this to 19 foot-pounds. Take a rag, wipe up any residual, and then if you have the door, you want to close that door. Now remove the oil fill cap, twist to the left, use a funnel. Using the correct oil, we're using 5W30 synthetic, and this vehicle takes 7.9 quarts. We're going to add the oil. And that's the last quart. After you shut the vehicle down and the vehicle is sat for about a minute, making sure it's on a level surface, pull the dipstick out, and wipe it off with a clean rag. Reinsert the dipstick. Pull it out again. And you want to see the oil in between where the two lines are. And you can adjust accordingly. You want it slightly on the higher side, in the middle to the higher side. So you could add another half a quart if you need to. And reinsert the dipstick. Now I'm going to show you how to reset the oil life indicator. On the instrument panel cluster, we're going to push this button down, hold that down, turn the key to the first position. While you're holding that, and then you're going to see the reset down here. We're going to let up. Then we're going to push down again and hold it until the reset starts flashing. Now it's flashing, let up again, and then push it down again, and you can turn the key off. You can turn the vehicle on, and you can see all the lights are green over here, and you've reset the oil life.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.